guys, it is Corbin here with Outdoor Fin-addicts, and today we're going to be doing a little duck hunting video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You're just going to have to see. I don't want to spoil anything. You're just going to have to see how many ducks we shot. Yeah, it was a very, very awesome day. Just to make this clear, guys, just wanted to make this clear that this was the last day of Maryland duck hunting season. So, yeah, we had a fun day, got some awesome footage, and, yeah, I think you guys will enjoy this video, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna get on with the video.
Kill him up top.
Oh.
She's a lot older than she looks.
Is she?
Yeah.
Wait. Kill it.
Oh, they broke apart. Two of them broke off.
Wait. Ryan.
Right here, on the left. Out front.
Wait. Ryan.
Oh, there, whatever, to the left, Joey, to the left.
Shoot that dog in.
Yeah, here they come.
Yeah. Just watch the dog, guys. Wait. Kill him. That's the drink limit. Oh my! Who shot that? God. Stay still, guys. Hold on, wait. Kill that dog. Hold on, Doc.
Those are big boys. I know.
Hold on. Let him come. Ryan, get ready, Ryan. Oh. Pair in the middle, pair in the front. Wait. Kill that dog. Oh,
That was me.
Yeah, here they come.
Yep.
Let's watch the dog, guys. Wait. Kill him.
That was me.
There we go. Hold on, wait. Kill that dog. Hold on, Doc, stay.
That's me. That was me. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun shooting those ducks with my friend Tyler and Bobby. Go make sure to subscribe to Bobby. His is Huber Waterfowl. He got his channel deleted. So hopefully you guys can go check out that because he just got a new phone channel deleted, and I want to get him some subs. I will put his name of his YouTube channel down below, Huber Waterfowl. Yeah guys, but hope you enjoyed this video. Different type of video. Haven't done a duck hunting video, but more to come. Okay guys, yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and comment down below. I will see you on the next time, guys.